Modern rock gardens blend natural elements with contemporary design, creating low-maintenance landscapes that are visually stunning and environmentally friendly. Combine smooth pebbles, rugged rocks, and lush plants to add texture and visual interest to your rock garden. A sleek water feature can elevate your rock garden, adding a tranquil ambience and enhancing the modern design. Modern rock gardens often use monochromatic color schemes to achieve a sophisticated, cohesive look. Incorporate low-maintenance plants like ornamental grasses and succulents to complement the rocks and add greenery to your garden. Layer rocks and plants strategically to create depth and dimension in your rock garden. Varying heights and textures can add a dynamic visual appeal. Strategically placed lighting can enhance the beauty of your rock garden, creating a stunning nighttime display. Rock gardens are an eco-friendly landscaping choice, requiring minimal water and maintenance while reducing soil erosion. Modern rock gardens emphasize clean, geometric layouts, use sharp edges and defined shapes to create a polished and organized look. Add a bold focal point to your modern rock garden with a statement sculpture or artistic element. Blend your rock garden seamlessly with patios or seating areas to create a cohesive outdoor space for relaxation and entertainment. Modern rock gardens are versatile, sustainable, and visually stunning. They offer endless possibilities to create a unique outdoor oasis that reflects your style.